Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to flip text in Canva, mirroring text, flip vertically and flip horizontally step by step. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me start with the video. So just come to the create here and take any presentation or templates. So I just take this one here. Okay, see, this is my Canva. So if I insert any image in Canva like this, let me show you in first image. Okay, this is my image. Okay, for image, Canva has a flip option like this. Okay, this is a flip options. Okay, you can flip vertically, horizontally, and same time, both same time. Okay, but if you insert any text like this, there is no flip option in Canva toolbar. Okay, but there is a one trick you can use. Okay, so currently I have white background. If you have another background like this, so what you need to do, just add the another page with the white background only. Okay, copy your text, come to the second page and paste here. Now this is our text. Okay, keep at middle or anywhere, keep the same size. Okay, now come to the share and here see all and click on this copy clipboard. Now you need to copy to clipboard here, or you can select first page. Okay, original page, and copy it. Okay, don't select first page, we need to copy this one. So select this second page and copy clipboard. Now it's copied. Now come to the first page and paste here. So this is our clipboard. It is like this is a text. Okay, this is our text and this is a text, but this is like image. Okay, so now we can crop it like this. Okay, just crop your size, remove the background will be removed. You can simply resize it like this. Okay, okay, now you can flip from here horizontally, vertically. Okay, and if you want to give the shadow effects, just copy it, just keep your original text here and flip it. Okay, and make sure the same size, it's like mirroring. Okay, go to the shadows, transparency, and decrease this dash shadow. Okay, 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 so it's like a shadow. Okay, mirroring. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching. Okay.